Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into JBS Payroll account. So if you also want to log into JBS Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in jbscorp.net/payroll-services. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of JBS Corp. You can see several options over here. You can see the option for get started today. You can see the option for book appointment, client portal, make a payment. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the option client portal. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of JBS Corp. You can also sign in with Google, or you can also enter your email and password and log in. If you want to enter your email, all you have to do is click on this box. Now enter your email. Now enter your password. If you want to check your password, you can click on this option that you can see right over here. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on this option forgot password and then you'll be able to reset it. After that, simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into JBS Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.